What if signing up for Web3 was as simple as signing up for any other app? And what if in every transaction you made, you earn rewards? So today I'm excited to show you about sBTC and STX cashback wallet. That is an MVP of that's solving crypto's biggest hurdle, that is onboarding challenge. So let's begin with the problem. So the problem is crypto has a very big, massive onboarding issue. That means the entry barrier is very high. The seed phases, the overwhelming private key management, gas fees, and transaction costs is very confusing for non-native crypto users. And studies shows that over a 70% of non or of new users abandon Web3 apps because the wallet setup alone is very complicated. And even if they get past the hurdle, there is very little to no incentive for them to use the wallet. And for that reason, Web2 wallets are there, and Web2 wallets are doing very great because they give cashbacks and loyalty points and referral bonuses. But in Web3 we are asking users to remember their seed phases. So what is the solution? So the solution comes here. Our MVP shows that we can build something on Stacks blockchain, and using just a simple embedded wallet like Turnkey Embedded Wallet that we have built, and solving the biggest issue, that is the onboarding problem. So in this section I will show you that how to connect the wallet and how to start. So first we will click the connect wallet, or maybe get started with earn rewards. So connect wallet. Now we can use Gmail. So I'm using mail ID. Then we will receive a pin basically in our mail, so we have to show that here. Let me just refresh this. So yes, so this is the wallet I have created. If the user is new, they can click on this button, create new rewards wallet, and they can create a wallet. And after the wallet is created, it will be zero STX balance and zero sBTC. So how will they get the faucet for now? So in next we'll click the select account here, and we can get faucet from here. Like we already have some STX token and sBTC, but the new user who are onboarded right now, they can get faucet to test the wallet. So they, whenever they click on the faucet button, so let me click it. So token has sent. So it takes some time to load the balance in the wallet, and after we have the STX balance, we can send it to any other user. So for sending, we'll click again on the select account, and then we'll click on the transfer STX to see that if we can get 1% cashback or not. So here we'll click the recipient wallet, that means whoever we want to send the wallet, and then amount. I will show you in small number, and then I will show you in big numbers like 100 STX or something. So in small number, maybe 10 STX. So let's see. Okay, so it's done, and 1% cashback is also done. So how will check that 1% cashback is done or not? So we'll go to the Explorer first to check the transaction ID and all the stuff. So we have sent 10 STX from this account to this account. So cashback mean basically from the receiver. The receiver will get 1% of whatever they sent. So we'll go to the receiver's wallet to see that. Sorry, the sender's wallet. This is a sender's wallet. Let me just go back to the page. This is from, that means whoever sending the fund, and this is to, that means whoever receiving. So we'll click on the sender's address. So this is the sender's address. It just load a bit. Okay, if I expand it. So it sent 10 STX upward arrow, that means it is sent transfer, and it got 0.1 STX, that is 1% of 10 STX, and downward arrow, that means it got from somewhere, from this wallet basically. So this is how it works. Every time a user sends STX or sBTC, they get 1% of whatever they are sending. So let me just go to the wallet. So as we can see that we have already have sBTC in our wallet, but for a new user, they will not gonna have the sBTC balance. So they what they can do is simply go to the platform, hero platform.hero.show/faucet, and they can request their sBTC from here just by entering their STX address and receiving the sBTC. That's it. But as you already have the sBTC over here, so we'll send it on the send. We again give the same recipient here. If you want, we can change, but I don't have any recipient nearby, so I mean copied, so that's it. So in sBTC we'll send very small amount, 0.05. Let's try to send it. So we'll go to the Explorer. This is the contract. Yes. So whatever, the transfer is successful, but I am not able to show the basically the 1% rebate or cashback, you can say. Whenever we are sending sBTC, it is a SIP10 or SIP10 token, fungible token basically. And that fungible token means it's a created token on STX chain, and we need to call a contract for that. That's what it's doing right now. It is calling a contract and then trying to transact the balance. So as of now, this the complete use case of this project is done. I will explain the vision and how this will continue in future. So in this section, I will explain the vision of this project, like why we built this project and what is the future for this. So this MVP is very important for the adoption of Web3, because it has the lower barrier, means more users. So by removing the friction of seed phases and private key management, we can onboard users who could never traditionally use crypto wallets. And we are talking about mainstream users, just not just like the native crypto users. So, and the second reason is reward driven retention. That means that 1% cashback isn't just a gimmick, it's a retention strategy. Users who earn rewards are 3x more likely to return in the another and make another transaction. And we are building habits through positive reinforcements. And the third point that is most crucial, that is win-win model. That is, users get rewards and export the Web3 projects ecosystem. We are getting more users, and as the ecosystem grows, we are creating more positive experience instead of frustrating ones. So in the conclusion, I will say that there are several visions for the project, like what features it will get next in the next patch cycle. So there will be some tired related cashback programs like 1%. 1% is very generalized. If there are people who have maybe a lot of referrals, they will get 2% or 3% cashback, something like that. Or we can give analytic dashboard for users to track their rewards, eventually going to mainnet development. In the conclusion, I will say, like, Web3 adoption isn't just about better technology, it's about better user experience. The SBTC and STX cashback wallet provides that. When you remove friction and add incentive, amazing thing happens. Like, so for checking out the whole project codebase, I have shown the GitHub repository in the demo section, and I have also given the Twitter thread and demo video link in the description basically. So that's it from my side, and thank you for watching.